everyone, this is Becky with Scott Leroy Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can delete a smart plan. So if you no longer use a smart plan, whether it is from the SmartPlan library or it's a custom smart plan that you created, you can easily delete that smart plan and it will remove it from your smart plans list. So to get started, we are going to log into Command, which is agent.kw.com with our Keller Williams login credentials. And once we are logged in, we are going to navigate to the Smart Plans applet on the left-hand side. Smart Plans is going to be this like checklist with a cogwheel down at the bottom of it. You can also hover over it. It will tell you it's Smart Plans. So I'm going to click on that. And then we're going to find the smart plan that we want to delete. So in order to delete the smart plan, you're going to first need to make sure that all contacts have been unsubscribed from the plan. So if the plan still has contacts on it, you're not going to be able to delete it. In that case, you would want to remove all of the contacts from that smart plan. We do have a tip video on it. It's called How to Deactivate a Smart Plan. You'd want to follow those steps before you delete the smart plan. Also, if you have published this smart plan to the smart plan library, if you're going to delete it, deleting that smart plan from your list does not remove it from the smart plan library. It will remain published. It will just not be in your account anymore. If you want to totally remove it, you're going to need to unpublish that smart plan. So it's not going to delete it for any agent who has downloaded that smart plan previously. So just some things to keep in mind before we delete this smart plan. If you see any eyes right here, like you can see on this one, that means that there is a contact on that smart plan. So you just want to make sure that you remove contacts from that smart plan before you delete it. So we're going to go ahead and choose the smart plan we want to delete. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to click the three dots to the right-hand side. I'm going to click delete. It's going to ask if I'm sure. Cannot be undone. I'm going to go ahead and say yes, delete. It'll tell us our smart plan has been successfully deleted, and that is how you do that. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Our email is support@scottleroymarketing.com. We are always here to help you out.